Good morning. How are you? How are you today? I am happy.
I'm happy.
It's a pretty day outside, little cloudy, but that's how I like it. So I want to say good morning to everybody. I miss you guys. I haven't been around much, but I want to say good morning to Layla. Good morning, Layla. Good morning, Sophie. Good morning, Soph. Good morning to Jamar. And Buddy, how are you doing? Good morning to Callie. Good morning, Callie girl. How are you doing? I'm going to say good morning to Kendall. How are you this morning, Kendall? I'm going to say good morning to Vance. Good morning, Vance, man. How are you today? I'm going to say good morning to Joshua. Hey, Joshua, how are you doing? I'm going to say good morning to Natalie Garcia. How are you, Chiquita? I'm good. I'm going to say good morning to Brooklyn. How are you, Brookie? I hope you guys are all doing well and happy staying in your homes. So let's talk about the day. We know the year's 2020 and it's May, the merry, merry month of May. And we're halfway through May. It's almost time for school to be out. And today is May 14th. Okay, May 14th. Touch 14. Which one is 14? Talk a little bit about the weather today. The weather keeps changing in May. We have hot days and we have cold days, and today it's a little chilly. And at my house, it's a little bit overcast. So we have funny weather in spring sometimes. And it's spring right now. So at my house, it is cloudy and cool. Cool and cloudy. Touch cloudy. Which one is cloudy? Cloudy. And touch.
I'm feeling mad.
I made it, Doc. And touch cool. Which word is cool? Which one says cool? It's cool and cloudy. So let's talk about news to you. It's my favorite time of year. You know what I love to do with you guys in the springtime. I love to grow a garden. Yeah, I like to plant things. Touch grow and touch garden. Grow a garden. Who doesn't love to grow a garden? So, a lot of people, since we've been at home this year, safe at home, a lot of people are planting a garden. I did too. So it says growing food at home. Did any of you plant a garden this year and grow some food? Did you grow some flowers? Putting plants in is so much fun and watching them grow. And many people are growing food at home. Okay? They grow food in gardens. Food grows on the plants. And the food might be green beans or carrots, watermelons, strawberries, tomatoes. We always grow lots of tomatoes. People start growing food in spring. It's spring. What's it time to do? It's time to grow a garden. So people put seeds into dirt and the seeds become plants. Remember when we grew all those tomatoes? That's like our favorite plant at school. All right. People wait for the food to be ready. People pick the food. Then they eat the food, which is the most fun part, huh? All right. Ready for a joke? Knock, knock. Who's there? Home. Home who? How many plants will you grow? Was that a good one? All right, I have another joke. Are you ready? I have a joke, and I'm going to tell you. All right. It says, what vegetables do chickens like? Did I know what? What kind of vegetables do chickens like? Eggplant. Eggplant. Get it? That's kind of a good one. I like that. So we read about growing food at home. And I want you to choose one word about growing food at home. And if you do it really fast, I want you to find two. Are you ready? Garden, bike ride, home, grow, spring, field games. What did we talk about? Did we talk about garden? Yes, we did talk about gardens. Did we talk about a bike ride? No, we didn't talk about a bike ride. Did we talk about home? We did talk about growing a garden at home. Did we talk about growing? Yes, we did. Did we talk about spring? Yes, we did talk about spring. Did we talk about field games? Wah, wah. No, we didn't talk about field games. No field games. So, right? So what is the paper about? Okay. What is the paper about? Is it about thanking hospital workers or Irwin family helping animals or growing food at home? I think we talked about growing food at home. And what becomes plants? Is it seeds, rocks, or marbles? Seeds become plants. And where do people grow their food? Do they grow them in swimming pools? Do they grow them in gardens? Do they grow them in parking lots? They grow them in gardens, just like we do. Oh, what food would you like to grow this year? Would you like to grow carrots or green beans or watermelons, strawberries, or something else? I want to grow them all because I love to garden. And I wanted to show you guys something because there's a lot of ways that you can plant a garden. And you can plant them from seeds. You can buy a lot of packages of seeds. And I have a lot of packages of seeds. I have lettuce and I have a lot of lettuce seeds, you guys. I have chives, actually. Chives are like little bitty green onions. We have, brightly colored bell pepper seeds. We have green bean seeds and cucumber seeds and hot pepper seeds. Yum. I thought these looked really good. Purple string beans. burgundy, they call them. Aren't they pretty? And these are yellow wax beans. Can you hear the seeds in them? And I got carrot seeds. But that's not the only way to grow a garden. Sometimes I save the seeds from my food. I dry them out. These are bell pepper seeds from the tops of some bell peppers that we had last year. I have some actual green beans that I grew last year, and I'll show you the beans. I have to open it. I saved the whole green bean, and all I have to do is crunch it up and the seeds inside. So I'll crunch them up on the ground. And I'll put the bean seeds in the ground. I have, let's see, I have giant cantaloupe seeds. Who likes melons? I like watermelons and honeydews. So you can buy packages of seeds. You can save them from eating them. Or sometimes you can go to the plant store. You can go to Home Depot, or you can go to Green Acres or Lowe's. Sometimes even the dollar store has plants. And you can buy plants in a pot. This is a bell pepper plant for my garden. These are honeydew seeds. And when you buy them, it shows you what you can grow. Now my picture has dirt on it. But can you see the honeydews? And let's see, do I have a bell pepper picture in here? Yeah, that's actually got dirt on it too. But you can see that when you buy a plant in a pot, it shows you a picture of what you're growing. So there's 3 ways you can grow food, and probably more. You can buy seed packets. You can save the seeds, or you can buy plants from the store. These take longer because you have to put them in the ground and wait for them to come up. But if you go to the store and buy the plants, you could just put them in the ground. Let's see, my honeydew's a little bit sad because it wants to go live in the ground. So anyway, exciting times. Who doesn't love to garden? All right, have fun gardening, you guys. I love you. I miss you, and I can't wait to see you all again, all right? Ciao.